Hey everybody, welcome back to the Miniac, and we're doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to be showing you all this new Boya Magic microphone, and it's pretty cool. It's 4 forms in one. Now what I mean by that is it can be converted into 4 different things. For one, it can be a handheld mic, but if you excuse me a second, it's a little noisy around here, so let me do something real quick. How's that? These have AI noise cancellation. So I'm standing under a bridge overpass in downtown Kansas City, and now you can hear me hopefully a lot clearer than you could before. So a little bit about this microphone. It is 4 forms in one. Now what I mean by that is it's a little microphone like this thing I have mounted to my hat. It's also a wand microphone, and you put the little dead cat here. You can have little interviews back and forth with people while you're talking. And this is also the storage compartment for those little microphones. This works as the charging case for it. And if I pull this little thing off here, this plugs into your phone, so you can use this with your smartphone. So kind of cool, but it gets even better. You see, on top of that, it also has this tripod. So you can hook the sucker up to your tripod here, and then have a nice little microphone here sitting on your desk, so you can have conversations with people in videos, like if you're doing interviews, stuff like that. Kind of a cool little setup. And it gets even better, because if I take this stand off of here, there's a cold shoe. So I can use this as a shotgun mic on my DSLR or even my GoPro, which I'm currently using. Now, just to be on the safe side, I do have my other camera recording audio just in case anything goes wrong. Now, there are a few little hiccups here and there with this because it's a fairly new piece of technology. I cannot seem to get the other microphone to work, so I'm working on trying to figure that out. But it is a really cool piece of kit here. I mean, literally 4 forms in one. It can do all sorts of cool stuff. I really like it, and the fact that I'm able to talk to you all under an overpass gets even better. So I forgot to add one little thing. I did lie to you about something. I did say earlier that my other camera was recording audio. Well, the audio is on, the camera is off. So the audio you're getting right now is directly from this microphone. So that should be saying something for how great this really is. And I mean, really, really cool. Now, I do have to admit, I did drop this earlier and chipped the edge on a brick because I'm standing on a brick parking lot. So that will happen if you're not careful. But if you're going to be using these for what you intend to use them for, things happen. So I did drop it. I'm a little disappointed in myself for doing that. But, I mean, it could be worse. Now, if you have a lightning port iPhone, there is an extra one that comes with this. Now, to turn them on, you simply grab it. There's a little button on the back. Press and hold, and it should light up. If it's plugged into the phone, it will. So there is that. And the little wand here with a microphone in the top corner. If I press and hold this, it turns on, and it's supposed to power on the microphone that is in the top of this wand. Now, as of right now, it's not doing it for me, and I have to look in the instructions to figure out why. It hasn't been doing it every single time I've tested it. I've had to turn on the microphone manually to get it to work. But otherwise, it works really well. So if I take the microphone, bring it down there, and I take this one off my hat, and be careful so you don't make a lot of noise with it, put it in my wand here, and then close this back up, I can continue to have a conversation with you with this. Now, if I add the dead cat back on, now I have a full-on interview microphone with my fans or whoever I happen to be talking to. So if I'm interviewing somebody, I'm ready to go. Pop it open, take the microphone back out, and there I go. Now I'm ready. So it is about the size of a fairly large marker. Now, I have a paint pen here that I use for my day job, and as you can see, it's about the same size. So I can stick this in my pocket and go anywhere. Now, as far as the weight goes for these things, unlike this microphone from DJI, the weight on these things is about 7 grams. So that's incredibly light. I barely notice that this thing is here unless I tap it, and then I know. But you barely are going to know that you're wearing a microphone while you're having a chat or doing a video. Now, as far as the AI noise cancellation goes, it can cancel up to 40 decibels. So that takes this bridge overpass here and brings it down to basically a busy office. I'm having a conversation with you all. You can hear me fairly well. And there's a giant truck that just drove by right there. And I'm sure I'm going to have low-flying aircraft at some point because I am in the West Bottoms. There are trains going through here. It's a pretty busy area. Now, as far as other settings go, there's the Boya Central app, which is this right here. And it allows you to work with the receiver that comes with it attached to your smart device. So effectively, you can control everything in here, including the settings on the equalizer. So you can change all your presets as needed to basically make it work the way you want it to work. Now, me, on the other hand, I just use this for regular video, so it makes perfect sense to not bother messing with anything over there that's going to make this a very complicated process. I'm very keen on simplicity when it comes to camera and audio technology. I don't want to have to be messing around with different settings, different features to get what I want, because for me, that is incredibly annoying, whereas some people out there probably enjoy tweaking all their features and settings on their devices and everything like that. Now, as far as usability goes, I can have a conversation with you and be all the way over here, still talking to you, as I'm walking completely around my car, going all the way back around, coming back over here, checking my camera settings to make sure everything's working correctly, and then come right back around, and you'd never know that I was gone for a few seconds. Or maybe you would, because I'm obviously not in front of the camera. But a lot can go on back here in that short amount of time. So there is that to consider with a microphone. Now, what I love about wireless microphones is the fact that I can come and go and it still picks up my audio, which is something that wired microphones were very difficult to work with because I tended to trip over them. And the other thing was, using microphones built in with the camera didn't work in terms of the audio I wanted, because it would make it very difficult to talk, especially with all the noise going on in the background. And yes, another thing to mention about the size factor. This is very, very compact. Unlike this microphone right here. This is my Rode wireless microphone. So this is the handle they designed so you can have little interviews. Now, if you compare them side by side, which one would you want to be carrying with you when you are having a conversation? I would probably go with this one, despite the fact that I have used this quite regularly along with my DJI microphone. I do think this is incredibly cool. I think for someone who's going to be using this as a interview type system for their smartphone, probably a good idea. It's a little bit cumbersome when it comes to the GoPro. I do have to clip in the auxiliary port, and I have to use the receiver that it comes with to make it work. But it is Bluetooth compatible, so you can connect it to your smart devices relatively easy. Now, as far as charging goes, USB-C charging, and as far as storage goes, nice and compact, like I said. Everything fits right in there, and they even give you a really nice case to keep all your stuff in. So there is that. And in case it gets a little too windy, they do have a dead cat that you can clip onto the microphone like that, and then clip it on. But the cool thing about this is it's somewhat discreet. So there is a slim possibility this thing might have not been charging correctly. I'll be damned, it does work. Testing, 1, 2. Okay, so in my stupidity, I forgot to take the piece of tape off the back that allows this thing to connect to the wand so that I can use this as a microphone. So there we go. Wish I had known that sooner. It would have saved me so much trouble. That makes me realize that this one probably has the same thing connected to the back of it, which is probably why it hasn't been working. So rule of thumb is always make sure your packaging is completely removed from your devices before you use them, because you might forget something very important and therefore pass along incorrect information. So, lesson learned. Now, that being said, I think it's a pretty cool setup. I really like it. I like the simplicity of it. I like the clean lines of it. I'm disappointed in myself for dropping it because I chipped the edge right there. But overall, I like it. I'm probably going to use it in a future video because it works. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about the Boya Magic microphone, you can visit their website in the description below. And you can also visit the Amazon link in the description below. And if you really want to buy one of these, and I might recommend you do, there is a discount code as well. So you can take full advantage of that and get yourself one of these at a much more affordable price. Now, that being said, the price for this, with all the stuff it comes with, is about $130, which is actually not bad given the cost of the DJI mic and the Rode mic. So you're saving a lot of money, and you're getting something that is really, really flexible when it comes to doing content creating work. Now, if you think this might be something up your alley, leave a note in the comments down below. Share your thoughts. If you have bought one already, let me know what you think. And if you want to watch more content on this channel related to cameras or audio, or hopefully you're here watching my Mini Cooper content, let me know as well. But until next time, thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, like I said, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video.